So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to go about investing in commercial paper, and we'll be using Afrinvestor 2.0. Now, commercial paper is a loan you give to big corporations and companies out there. So if they want money, they go to the public and tell them, can you give me a certain amount of money, and we are going to give you an interest for the period of 1 year. So one thing you should understand is that commercial paper is usually less than 1 year. If you are used to treasury bill, commercial paper is just like treasury bill. Now, treasury bill is the money you loan to the federal government of Nigeria, whereas commercial paper is money you loan to big companies. Currently, there is commercial paper on Afrinvestor 2.0. That's the reason I'm making this video, because if you check Afrinvestor 2.0, you rarely see commercial papers because it's not something that goes out to the public easily. Sometimes some companies don't really take some loan from people out there, so they only issue out commercial papers. But currently there's commercial paper, and I'll be diving you into how to go about investing in commercial paper. You should know that to invest in commercial paper, you need a minimum of 5 million naira. So if you don't really have 5 million naira, you cannot invest in commercial paper. So let's get started with how to go about investing. So once you visit your Afrinvestor 2.0 account, you're going to see something of that nature. That's after you've created an account and you've done all the verification. So you have gotten your CHN number and your CSCS number. You're going to see something like this. You're going to see the home, the portfolio, and the invest. Now once you click on the corporate or the commercial paper rather, you're going to see the commercial papers available there. You can see Dangote Sugar commercial paper, that's 180 days. You can see Dangote Sugar commercial paper, that's for 270 days. So currently it's Dangote Sugar that is giving commercial paper. So if you invest with the first one, it's for a period of 180 days, and you can see it that is 24.99% per annum. And you can see also for the next one that 24%, that's you are getting, that's for 270 days, you are getting 24.55%. Now if you click on the first one, you are going to see something of this nature where you are going to put the amount you want to invest. That's a minimum of 5 million naira. Once you put that amount in there, then the next thing you can do is that you can put on reinvest my capital, or my interest rather. Once you click on reinvest my interest, you can go ahead reinvesting your interest. But if you don't really have enough top up, you need to top it up there. You can see that top up at the down. I have currently 7,000 on my Afrinvestor balance account, but if you want to top it up, you can top it up for 5 million naira before you go ahead investing in commercial paper. Once you've top up your account and you click on the amount you want to invest, you can click on reinvest my interest. Now if you don't click on reinvest my interest, once you invest, they are giving you your interest up front. But if you click on reinvest my interest, they are going to reinvest your interest so you get more money. And once you are done with all that, you click on buy. Once you initiate the dispute, they are going to send you a confirmation that you've invested in commercial paper of Dangote Sugar, and it will start counting. So once it's up to the duration, you can now withdraw your money and you see it in your Afrinvestor balance account. That's how to invest in commercial paper. If you've checked my video on how to invest in treasury bill, you can see that it's almost similar to investing in commercial paper. So if you've not checked that video, I advise that you go up to check that video, and I'll be leaving it in the card section and also a link in the description of this video. If you want more content like this, do also hit that subscribe button as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online. Till our next one, peace.